interview you questions about taxation. Before I start, I would like to introduce my two other members, which is SURAYA and AMANINA. Before I start to question you, may you introduce yourself?
Sure. Hello everyone. I am Nisha Anokia, Finance Manager at HQ and Stationery Company.
So I will start with the first question. Can you provide an overview of your company business operation and structure?
Okay, the company was incorporated on 1st July 2024 and has commenced business operations on 1st September 2024. The nature of business, the company is trading goods like sales of stationery products and other related products for general public and commercial companies. The company is selling and supply stationery products to general public and commercial companies. The company have almost 10 staff to handle the business operation on daily basis.
What is your current payout capital and when was the company operated?
The payout capital the company is 300,000 and was incorporated on 1st July 2024.
What is your company basis period for tax computation?
The basis period of the company is from 1st September 2024 until 31st December 2025 as first year of assessment.
Ms. Fisha, what are the main sources of income for the company?
The main source of income of the company is generated from sales of stationery items and other related items.
Ms. Fisha, are there any government incentive or grants received that are tax exempt?
There is no any government incentive available for our industry as the business is not a specialized industry. The tax exempt available for our business is as follows. Tax exempt available for cash donation made for approved charitable organization in Malaysia.
Ms. Fisha, what are the typical monthly or annual operating expenses for your company?
Monthly operating expenses as follows: cleaning charges, internet charges, contribution, electricity charges, EPF contributions, pest control services, rental of shop, rental of equipment, repair and maintenance, CSO contributions, staff salaries, water and electricity charges, printing and stationery charges, telephone charges, and purchase of goods for business. For daily operating expenses such as audit fee, secretariat fee, tax agent fee, accounting fee, and business license.
How are the entertainment expenses recorded and justified for tax purposes?
The company's business is a stationery shop. The tax treatment for entertainment expenses mainly is related to staff entertainment. Our entertainment expenses as follows. First, entertainment to suppliers as we can claim 50% as deductible amount. Tempo for client during festival as we can claim 50% as deductible amount. Tempo for staff during festival as we can claim 100% as deductible amount. And annual dinner of 2 employees as we can 100% as deductible.
So, do you have any expenses that are related to lease or rental of premises?
Yes, the company have the rental of the shop and rental of the photocopier for business purpose. We can claim the full amount of rental payments as deductible expenses for tax purpose as income for wholly and exclusively in the production of income for business purpose.
Okay, so Ms. Fisha, do you make any payment to residents? If yes, how you handle the withholding tax?
Based on our business operation all in Malaysia, there is not any payments non-residents. Therefore, our company is not subject to withholding tax.
Are there any contract payments, franchise fees that subject to it?
There is no contract or franchise fees payable with any parties as our company mainly operates locally as a standalone commercial purpose.
What types of capital expenditure expenditures have been made by your company?
Our company's capital expenditure was as follows: computers for stock use, CCTVs to monitor the shop and office equipment for staff use, stationery shelves or rack to arrange our products, digitalized post system, renovation costs, and shop shutters.
Besides that, Ms. Fisha, do you maintain a capital allowance schedule for tax purpose?
Yes, we have prepared to maintain the capital allowance schedule to claim the capital allowance on capital expenditure income for business purpose to claim the deduction against adjusted income.
Okay, so Ms. Fisha, have your company claimed any double deductions?
Yes, as we have appointed a disabled person in our company as an employee, therefore the company is eligible to claim the salary paid to staff under the employment of disabled employees as the double deduction for employing disabled individuals. To claim this deduction, we are required to obtain a certification from the SOCSO to certify that the employee is capable of working within his abilities.
Okay, are you utilizing any tax incentive under the 2025 budget for the retail stationery industry?
There are no tax incentive available under the 2025 budget as our company is only in the trading industry.
Ms. Fisha, how do you ensure compliance with tax submission deadlines and documentation?
As the company is taxable according to the law of the country of business operative, tax returns are submitted on time to avoid. I have to submit the following returns as follows. First, CP204 tax estimation and have to submit to IRB before 1 month of beginning of the year of assessment. Form E, employee remuneration details by 31st March every year. Form EA, to give from EA for all staff by 28 February every year. And Form C, the company's tax return by 31st July every year. We are maintaining the copies of the above submission as hard copies and soft copies for future reference for IRB inspection.
Ms. Fisha, what challenges do you face in managing corporate tax matters?
The common challenge faced by me is understanding of the tax treatment according to the laws and the changing of the tax laws over time. Tax law evolve frequently, making it difficult for companies to ensure compliance with the latest updates. New amendments for clarifications, such as those introduced in manual budgets or finance bills, can complicate tax calculations. For example, due to recent change of government in Malaysia, there is a lot of tax laws and regulation was amended of digitalization of tax submission. So I have to attend tax seminars, workshop or online webinar to remain aware of changes to prepare the tax computation or to optimize tax benefits for my business.
Ms. Fisha, how does your company handle bad debts? Do you maintain an aging schedule?
Yes, our company maintains the billings and collection details to prepare the aging schedule for us to review on monthly basis to find out any long outstanding amount due from customer for bad debt purpose. If any small amount of company will follow up by the amount is significant, the company require follow up by sending reminder letters and follow up closely with.
Next, what are the procedures for debt recovery or write-off?
If still no response after numerous follow-up, then the company have approached a lawyer for letter of demands for settlement and take legal action. If in case the company is unable to collect the debts from customers, then the management has to decide the worth of the amount as bad debts in profit and loss. As the company for tax purpose, the company has taken various steps to recover the debts from customer as evidence for the company is able to claim the bad debts as 100% deductible expenses for tax purpose.